children, today I am going to start the second chapter, The Adventures of Toto, which is from your book Moments. So first of all, what do you mean by adventure? Adventure is what? An unusual and exciting or daring experience. So first of all, about the writer. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landore, Mussoorie, India. Adopted. Legally take another's child and bring it up as one's own. So this is adopted. So he is an Indian author of British descent. He is considered to be an icon among Indian writers and children's authors and a top novelist. He prolifically authored inspiring children's book. So he is very known for children's book and was awarded the Sahitya Academic Award to honor his work of literature. So he was also honored by what? Sahitya Academy for his work of literature. So you can just see Ruskin Bond. Now let's start the chapter. The Adventures of Toto. The narrator's grandfather was very fond of animals. He had a nice collection of animals such as a tortoise, a tame squirrel, a pair of rabbits and a goat. So you can see a collection of many animals. But he didn't have a monkey. So one day he bought a baby monkey from a Tonga driver and named it Toto. So grandfather was very fond of animals and he was having tortoise, a tame squirrel, then a pair of rabbits and goat, and he was not having a monkey. So what he did? He bought a baby monkey from a Tonga driver and named it Toto. Toto's arrival not only gladdened him but also enriched his private zoo. Toto was an attractive monkey with sparkling eyes and pearl white teeth. So Toto was very attractive. He was having sparkling eyes were sparkling, and teeth was like pearl, moti. He would take special delight in scaring elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. So he was very having delight by scaring the Anglo-Indian ladies. His tail added to his good look and also served as a third hand. You people also know that the tail of the monkey is like third hand. Since grandmother did not have any interest in animals, she never welcomed grandfather with a new bird or animal in the house. So grandmother did not have any interest in animals. And so she never welcomed whatever grandfather brings home. Toto was temporarily kept in a little closet opening in the narrator's bedroom wall. So grandmother didn't like animals or birds. She never welcomed. So where was Toto kept? In a little closet. Closet is what? You can just a tall cupboard or wardrobe with a door used for storage. We keep clothes in the cupboard now. So Toto was kept temporarily where? In a little closet. A cupboard having a door, where he was tied securely to a peg fastened into the wall. And there also he was tied securely to a peg. Being mischievous by nature, Toto began to create nonsense from the very first day. So he was tied in to a peg. Peg is what? A short pin or bolt where Toto was tied. बांध के उसको रखा गया था. But Toto was very mischievous. Toto began to create a nonsense from the very first day. From the very first day only he started his stupid activities. He removed the ornamental wallpaper, pulled out the peg and tore off the narrator's blazer. So, what are the mischiefs he did? First of all, he removed the ornamental wallpaper. जो वॉलपेपर लगे हुए थे वॉल्स में वो उसको भी निकाल देता है. पुल्ड आउट द पेग एंड टोर ऑफ द नैरेटर्स ब्लेजर. ग्रैंडफादर वॉज क्वाइट upset, and because of that he was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarter when grandfather's other animals lived together. So Toto was transferred where? To a big cage in the servant quarter. But Toto could create problems for them. There also Toto created problems for other animals. He did not let them sleep peacefully. His pernicious activities were increasing day by day. Pernicious activity means harmful activities was increasing day by day. So when grandfather had to go to Saharanpur to collect his pension, he carried Toto with him in a big black canvas kit bag. So he was very mischievous. He was disturbing everyone. So wherever grandfather goes, he keep monkey with him. So when he was going to collect his pension, he carried Toto with him in a big black canvas kit bag. Since there was no opening in the bag to allow his hand or face to come out, he would often jump inside the bag, making the bag roll about on the floor of the Dehradun railway platform. So there was no opening in the bag जिससे कि वो अपना हाथ या फेस बाहर निकाल सके. So he often jumped inside the bag, and he was and the bag was rolling on the floor of the Dehradun railway platform. On reaching Saharanpur, Toto was caught by the ticket collector, who classified him as a dog, so that grandfather had to pay for his fare. So when he reached Saharanpur, Toto was caught by the ticket collector, and he classified the monkey as what? As a dog, and grandfather had to pay his fare. Toto was finally accepted by grandmother. धीरे धीरे क्या होता है ना कि grandmother उसे accept कर लेती है. He was then shifted to the stable where Nana, the family donkey, lived. So where he was shifted? The monkey to a stable where the horses live. So who was there in the stable? The donkey named Nana. But Toto continued teasing her, as a result of which they could never become friends. Means Toto was very mischievous, as you people know. So he continued teasing Nana, the donkey. And because of that, they never became good friends. Now, Toto loved to take bath in hot water in winter. Toto just loved taking bath. One day, do you know what happened? He nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive by jumping in a large kitchen kettle that had been left on the fire to boil for tea. So Toto loved to take bath in hot water. One day, but what happened? He nearly succeeded in boiling himself. He just jumped. He jumped in a large kettle. एक kitchen kettle में पानी boil हो रहा था. And he just jumped, and that kettle was left on the fire to boil. It was grandmother who came to his rescue and saved him. और लास्ट में उसे कौन बचाता है, सेव करता है, रेस्क्यू करता है? ग्रैंडमदर. Toto continues his antics and takes his foolish behavior by tearing clothes to shreds, breaking plates and other utensils. Everyone in the family got fed up with these mischievous activities. Even grandfather began to think seriously about him. Now, grandfather was also thinking about Toto, that very mischievous Toto is. What should be done? And finally, he took a hard decision to get rid of the monkey. Lastly, he also decided to get rid of the monkey. He found the Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. He was so much irritated by that monkey that grandfather took a hard decision to get rid of the monkey. And what he did? He sold Toto back to the Tonga driver only for 3 rupees. So we have completed.